I sealed my patio last year, but I used a water-soluble sealant and it didn't last that long. So what I'm going to do is to use a solvent-based sealant which should last a little bit longer. I'm wanting it to match this floor in here. As you can see, it's a little bit shinier compared to the outside. First of all, I'm going to clear the patio and then I'm going to give it a good wash and get up any grime and grease ready for the sealant. First of all, I'll brush it just to get off any debris. And now I'm scrubbing it with some hot soapy water. I'm going to make sure I scrub the grouting as it's looking really grimy. And then I'll just hose it all down just to clear the soapy water. Great, that's drying nicely now. It's now all dry and clean and ready to be sealed. Because I haven't used the solvent-based sealer before, I'm just going to test it just in this area here. Okay, I'm going to use this stone and tile sealer. I'll try it in a small area just down there first, just to see what it looks like, and then if it's okay, I'll seal the whole lot. I'm going to use a cloth just to test it on that area there, and then for the large area I'm going to use a roller. Well, that's looking good already, so I think I'll use it on the whole patio. I'm just pouring it on and then rubbing it in. I'm going to go around the edges first, just with the cloth. And now I'm going to use the roller just on the large area. Okay, that's just drying now. It's looking pretty good. But I'm going to do another coat. I'll let it dry overnight and then do another coat in the morning. Okay, that's the second coat done. And now I'll just let it dry. Well, that's it all dry. That's another job done. Now it's time to put all the garden furniture and plants back. Well, that should hold out and protect the patio for the winter. Thanks for watching. And remember to give this video a like and subscribe for some more videos.